Hello, it's Friday the 14th. I'm FX Blue and this is the market brief. So the market is pretty much on board with the old UK recovery. The remaining steps to reopen the economy will only serve to accelerate the process, but we'll just have to see how long the pace will continue and indeed what issues may arise as the stimulus is removed. The Bank of England remains pretty confident that although employment will take a hit, and there will be some business failures no doubt, the wider business preparations seem to be on the right tracks. But the main driver of a sustainable recovery will be the consumer and them regaining their spending habits. As the UK is set for record growth this year, consumer spending is expected to be a key driver of inflation, as all those savings that were made during lockdown will fuel consumer demand, and that could easily start to outstrip supply. Signs of overheating may see the Bank of England forced into action, but it's not something that they're going to be rushed into, as they want to see the recovery build a strong foundation. For now though, the future looks pretty bright and sterling is supported by the prospects for the UK economy. Yesterday we saw a slight correction against the dollar, falling to a low of just over 140, but we did recover to close around 140.50, and indeed that is where we opened this morning. The US inflation data released earlier in the week brought all those previous inflationary concerns into sharp focus, and the market has been looking for a response from the Fed to help preserve their market confidence. It's unlikely the Fed will take any action, as Fed officials have been calling this merely a bump in the road. Don't forget, they all knew that pumping such a huge amount of money directly into the economy would bring inflation. So for now, it's more likely we'll see the Fed seek to calm the market by reassurances while keeping an eye on how things develop further. In Powell we trust, right? Guess we'll see. The dollar index ran into resistance around 90.91 yesterday, as euro dollar fell to a low of 120.50. We recovered a little bit before the close and we opened this morning just over the 121 mark. Right then, that's it from me, capping off another week. Hope you've had a good one and have a great weekend. Join me again on Monday.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.